How to answer calls silently on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, so click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, you will see first option is text call. So click on text call. Now here make sure text call button is turned on. So after turn on text call, scroll down and click on languages. So you will select language from here and click on voice. So if you want to download voice, so click on download. So you will see after downloading, you will see click on voice 2.
This is what it sounds like when you use text call.
So click on voice 1.
This is what it sounds like when you use text call.
So first voice is female voice. So second voice is male voice. So after select voice, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how to answer calls silently on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.